Welcome back to Weems Auto. This is going to be a short little video here. I'm going to be testing this tachometer here to verify its functionality. But first, need to connect the wiring here on the back of it to this truck here. We're working on the 96 F-150. And we got to connect the wiring to make sure that this thing works properly. So let me get you in here a little bit closer. So we got a couple of different wires here. Hopefully you can see them. We have our positive, which goes to our ignition source. And then we have our ground is going to go to a ground source. And then they don't need the white wire that goes to the dash lighting. This one right here is going to go to our distributor. Actually, the off the coil is going to give us our tack signal. So, we could set this up here. That way we can see what we're doing for the time being. Well, if I could get it to stay. There we go. So I've already stripped back the cables on here. And I've got a couple of leads. One of them is connected over here onto the ignition. And then we also have the black one here to the ground. And then our coil is way back in here. And we're going to connect to that. And to get into there, I went and bought some of these T-pins, which are great for going into the back of a connector. Be careful here, they're in this package. Don't want them flying everywhere. There we go, that one should work. All right. So we're gonna stick this one. The negative's on the left side or the right side?
The hot's the larger wire. You're gonna go to the left end over there.
This left one?
That's gonna
all
be
right.
ground.
Let's get it in there. There we go. I think I got it. All right, and I got another set of leads here. And we'll use the red one here. Take this, we're gonna clip onto our T-pin. All right. And then we'll connect there to that wire. Our ignition source, as I said, is gonna go and connect to the red wire. And finally our ground here to the black. All right, so now let's turn it. Hold on a second here. There we go. Let's set it here. All right, you can put it back on there. I was trying to start it.
Yeah, it was.
I've set it all the way to the end, so you can put your clips on there for your ignition. All right, Dan, if you will fire it off. Let's see, can we see here on there? There we go. Go ahead. All right, cut it off. All right, so we're two things. One, either we're not getting power from the ignition, or two, I'm not connected in properly into this distributor. I mean, into this coil.
That's the hot side.
Let me try. That's the other side.
I'm telling you, that wire's hot. If you're supposed to be on the ground, that's hot.
No, it just says negative.
Let's go to the battery then.
Because you need,
come off the coil.
yeah, you got to come off the coil
The
to get the
side?
signal from the distributor. All right, let's try it again. Go ahead. Turn it off. Nothing. All right. So, okay, hold on here. Let's do this. Disconnect that. These two wires separated.
You got that wires touching nothing back there?
It was up here on the, I really liked it to sit like this. All right, maybe try this one again. Yeah, I didn't just get.
You can slide it inside the sheath of the wire.
Yeah, I don't want to pierce it.
Might as well. I pierced it with the freaking, with the chest light.
There we go. Now a minute. All right, that's in there. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Huh?
The chest light.
Yeah, it's not touching nothing.
There. I'll hook it right there.
Yeah, there you go.
Watch out.
Oh, underneath it. All right, let's try this again. One more time.
See, nothing's touching back there.
No, nothing's touching. We're good. Clear. Give it a rev. Yeah, we're still not getting a signal here. All right, you can shut it off.
What's going on?
Yeah, that may be not it. Because that's a different type of coil. All right, we're back. I had the ignition wired on the wrong side of the solenoid. All right, so let's try this again.
Where?
Clear. Hey, there we go. We've got ourselves a working tachometer. So we've proven that this is a good tachometer. So with, oh shoot, ow, 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 ow. So with a little bit of basic wiring,
Pretty easy.
we can prove our tachometer is good.
Pay attention in school, man, when they teach you how to do wiring, I tell you.
Yeah.
It's helpful. You know your wires and where they go and what they're for. You got it.
So that'll be into this video. Short little video just on doing an electrical test. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks a whole bunch. And if you could leave a comment or a like on the bottom, and we'll see you next time.